Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by checking the included hardware and confirming this is the Google Cloud Laptop stand-only way model, because the hinge tolerances differ across versions. Once done, power down and remove any bulky case so the laptop sits flush. Position the base at your preferred monitor depth, align the laptop's rear edge with the hinge track, and press down evenly until you feel a firm click. This ensures the clamp engages and prevents wobble during use. Now you refine the fit. Open the quick-release lever and set the tilt to match a 16:9 visual alignment that keeps your neck neutral. Make sure the rubber stops contact the laptop base evenly, then apply a half turn on the tension dial to remove play without over-tightening. Route power and USB-C cables through the rear clip to avoid tugging, and press the screen gently while watching for smooth resistance. This confirms the hinge is calibrated and safe for daily adjustments. Finish by setting the final height so vents have at least 1-inch clearance and anti-slip pads contact the surface. Test stability by typing for 30 seconds. If you detect creak or looseness, remove the laptop, reseat the hinge fully, and tighten the tension dial in small increments until the motion is smooth. If problems persist, perform the manufacturer reset. Remove the device, cycle the hinge through full travel 3 times, then remount. This often clears alignment issues and restores proper operation.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.